guys, this is Nishay. Today this is a tutorial wherein I will be explaining you how to replace the Tata Nexon, Tiago, Tiger, Bolt, Zest, Hexa, FOB key battery, where we gonna replace it today, and I will explain you what is the indication where it will tell you when is the battery needs a replacement. Guys, if you see these lights coming in whenever you press any key, means that your time to change the batteries. Okay, see these lights. Okay, so guys, today we are replacing the battery for the FOB key, wherein we have to first of all remove this mechanical key from here. So you need to press this button back. Okay, and then remove this key from here. Once the key is removed, with any tool you need to remove this the back panel from here. I am doing it right now, so you can see from here. If you have any tool or anything, you can remove it from that. Just remove it like this, and you can actually see the key over the battery here, which is 2032 CR2032. This is what you need to replace now. So 2032 we are going to replace it. So what you need to do, you just need to put any tool from here and pull it out like this. Once this is out, we can insert the new battery inside. It's very simple. So you see from here, you can just put it back and pull it out like this. The battery will come out. Now we just need to replace a new battery. Same 2032 we are putting it now. You can see the battery 2032. Yeah, okay. So we just push it in, and now if I press any key, the LED should not blink more than one time. See, it's only one time. See, it's only one time. But with the older battery, it was blinking after one. It was